In this video, we're going to go over measuring lines with the SitePulse software. You'll first want to tap on the Measure Lines icon in the ribbon. You'll notice that it highlighted yellow to indicate that we're in the Measure Lines feature. You'll see a play icon in the bottom right-hand corner because we are currently in walking mode. We're going to go ahead and tap on the antenna settings icon in the ribbon and go ahead and tap on Change to Standing Mode and then tap Accept. You'll notice the play icon has changed to a plus icon. So we're going to actually level up now and then tap on the plus icon to measure our first point. You'll see that our line name is line 1. We'll go ahead and leave it at line 1 and then tap Accept. So we have now measured our first point in this line. Travel a short distance, and I'm going to go ahead and level up again and then tap the plus icon. Our second point in this line has now been measured. We still have a few more points to go down this line. We're going to go ahead and switch to walking mode, so tap on the antenna settings icon and tap Change to Walking Mode. And our antenna height is 6.6. This is because I'm going to hold the grade rod just slightly above the ground as I'm walking. And we're going to take a point every 2 feet. So go ahead and tap Accept. Now to start measuring, what you want to do is go ahead and tap the play icon in the bottom right-hand corner. That will take your first measurement. Now go ahead and start walking down the line with your grade rod held as level as possible. And it's going to take a measurement every 2 feet. If you get it to a point where you need to take a measurement, go ahead and hit the pause icon and then hit the play icon again, and it'll take a point right there. And we're going to go ahead and do that again on the top of this, take a point right there. So pause, play. Now continue traveling down the line. And once you're finished measuring points, just go ahead and hit the pause line. Now to store the line, all you have to do is go off you can either hit the line feature again to start a new line, or hit the cut fill icon to go back to default. So now that line is stored and we can zoom into it to view it. You'll see the line, and then all the line points are these square little symbols. So next we'll go over how to measure a line using the vehicle mode. We're now going to go over using the vehicle mode in the Measure Lines function. To start, you'll want to tap on the antenna settings in the ribbon and then tap on Change to Vehicle Mode. You'll notice we have 6.45 for our antenna height, which we have measured this vehicle, and that is correct. If you didn't know your antenna height, you could use the GNSS receiver and your current ground elevation to determine that height. We go over that in more detail in the measurement modes video. For the interval, we're going to go ahead and tap on it and change it to 10 and then tap Accept. And in the antenna settings page, go ahead and tap Accept. Now in the ribbon, you'll want to tap on the Measure Lines icon. You'll notice that it highlights yellow to indicate we're in the Measure Lines feature. Go ahead and tap on the play icon in the lower right-hand corner to measure your first point. You'll notice that the new line box appears. You could rename the line if you wanted to. We're going to just leave it called line 1 and then tap Accept. So you'll notice our first point has been measured and we have a distance reading. At this point, you can set the tablet down, go ahead and put the vehicle in drive, and then drive the line you want to measure. Once you get to the end of the line, go ahead and put the vehicle in park, pick up the tablet, and then tap on the pause icon in the lower right-hand corner. If you wanted to measure that point at the very end of the line, just hit the play again, and then pause again, and it'll take that last measurement for you. We're going to go ahead and zoom in. You'll notice that the line is in red, showing we're currently still on that line, and all the line points are squares. So at this point, we can go ahead and end the line by tapping on the line icon in the ribbon, and you'll see that it's no longer red. We can move to another line that we want to measure and then start measuring. Or you could also tap on the cut fill icon to bring the SitePulse software back to its default position. For more training, please visit learn.trimble.com and set up your free account.